Hello everyone, I am here to show you my Pinspiration project for the Pinspiration 2020 collaboration, which is hosted by Kim here on YouTube. I will have all of that information linked below, as well as the pin that I used for this, which has been on my board for a very long time. I love the shape, and I will have that linked all down below, as well as the list of all the ladies that are participating in the collaboration. Please check them out. They all have wonderful projects to share with you. So this is what I used. This is a pin that I've had on my board for a long time. I'll have it linked below. But it is essentially a mini album. And I used up what I had left of the Doodlebug Design 6x6 paper pad called Sweet Summer. And I had 17 sheets left of this, and I used it all up. This is not my normal paper that I would go to, but I was determined to use it. So I'll be honest, totally honest with you, when I was done with this project, I tossed the rest of it. Because they were all small strips, whatever. I'm not a huge fan of the bright cutesy paper. To me, this is too much, too busy. But I do like the project, so I will probably create it again with a paper that's more my style. So here we go. I'll open it up for you. I did revamp it a little bit. I had to do my own kind of piecing together because I had to use a die to do all the cuts. So I did all the pages separately instead of folding. And then piece them together. So each page has a pocket. I used a Fisker's punch to do the edges of the pockets. And each page has a tag and a little cut apart insert as well. So it's two-sided. So you have here and then here. I tried to use up as many of the little cut aparts as I could, but when you're using a 6x6 paper pad, they're very tiny cut aparts. So each page, tag, and a cut apart. I have some embellishments here. As the pages get bigger, the tags get bigger. Very cute. Here's the back side. So you have another big tag. And then the back side of the pages also have pockets and tags. So that is my Pinspiration project for the Pinspiration Collaboration 2020 for April. Pardon me, losing track of my days here. I will have all the information linked below, the link to the pin and the list of all the ladies that are participating. Okay, thanks a lot. I will see you again. Have a great day.